Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video for all of you, and today we are bringing you the full unboxing video of the all new DJI NEO. That's right, DJI's latest and most affordable drone to date has just been announced, and in today's video we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it, see what everything's gonna be included in the Fly More combo and all that good stuff. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Air 3s, which is coming very soon, the Mavic 4 and the Mini 5, you already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. And if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's episode. And so the DJI NEO, DJI's most affordable drone, is gonna be $199 for the basic combo, which is just gonna get you the drone pretty much, and that's it. And then we're gonna be having the DJI NEO Fly More combo with a price tag of $329 US dollars. This drone has some impressive specs. We've got OcuSync 4, 10-kilometer max range, half-inch sensor. I mean, this drone is packed for the price. In my opinion, is the best bang for your buck drone right now. It even has manual or acro mode, which is just staggering. So without any much further ado, I would like to go ahead and take a look at the unboxing video, which was, I believe, first shared by Lagarto Paint in his YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and link him down below, and if he's not the original source, let me know who it is, guys, so that I can give them the credit that they deserve. But with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the all new DJI NEO and see what the hype is all about. Here it is, the DJI NEO in all its glory, in its Fly More combo version. So let's go ahead and see, open it up and see what we have on the inside. Classical DJI style box, white background right there. Let's open it up, see what we have on the inside, and we're greeted by a small box right there, which we're gonna be having on the inside our charging hub, which is gonna be able to charge our 3 batteries, which is nice. We don't know if it's gonna be simultaneous charging though. That's something to keep in mind. So here we have the DJI NEO itself, a small nice drone, protected with that nice little bag to protect and avoid scratches. And here we have the drone itself, very tiny, as you can see, the size of our palm. Tiny battery, giving us 18 minutes of flight time. It does come already pre-installed with the prop guards, which is nice, especially if you're going to be flying indoors. And here we have the controller itself, DJI RCN3, which is going to have OcuSync 4. That's awesome. The fact that this little tiny drone has that kind of tech found on its bigger brothers is incredible, and especially the price tag that it does come at. Let's see, as you can see, we do have our screw-in sticks right there, just as usual with all DJI controllers right there. And the fact that the controller is bigger and heavier than the drone itself is quite funny, actually. But let's see what else we've got. So we have the manual itself to launch our full 87-page guide, and here we have a couple of extra props just in case you happen to break one of them, but it's gonna be hard, especially if you're flying with the prop guards. And that's all you get in the Fly More combo. As you can see, not too much stuff, just the necessary stuff to get you up and flying. We do have a small little screwdriver, but no shoulder bag or anything of that nature, and that's pretty much done in order to keep the costs down. But there we have the other 2 batteries, so in total you're gonna be able to charge 3 batteries, hopefully, fingers crossed, at the same time. And here we have the drone itself. Once again, as you can see, nice looking drone, 135 grams. It's gonna have a half-inch sensor. It's gonna be able to shoot 12 megapixel images and 4K at 30 frames per second. As you can see, that's how we're gonna be able to dismount the prop guards pretty easy thing to do. This was something which was very hard to do actually with the old DJI Spark. As you can see, pretty easy to get them on and off. Having them on is gonna keep you 1 extra minute of flight time, but I mean, for the safety, I'll take 1 minute of flight time. But overall, a great looking drone. I cannot wait to get my hands on one of these myself and get it up and flying for all of you guys. As you can see, there's the gimbal protector, and this camera is pretty small. However, it does have the same size sensor as the old Air 2, which weighed over 500 grams, which is quite crazy to think about, that a 135-gram drone does this now. So, ladies and gentlemen, that has been the full unboxing video of the DJI NEO. What are your first thoughts down below? I personally think that this is an incredible looking drone. It's very light, 135 grams. That means you don't have to register this drone whatsoever. You're gonna be flying under the radar. You don't need to follow all of the very strict regulations, and by that I mean like FAA, a remote ID, and all of that stuff. So this drone saves you a lot of that hustle and hassle as well. So I'm glad. The camera is incredible, half-inch sensor, same one as the Air 2. I mean, Oculus 4, 10 kilometers of range, 4K 30. I think we really can't ask for much. 18 minutes of flight time. I mean, this drone is packed. I'm gonna tell you the only thing I did not like, and that is the controller. This one right here. The design. This is a very old design. This is over 4 years old now, and I personally think it's time for DJI to give us a brand new design. I mean, come on, DJI, you guys know better. But for the price tag, I really can't complain too much. But what I will complain about is the fact that DJI keeps giving us this terrible controller on high-end drones like the Air 3, Air 3S, Mavic 3. I mean, you're spending almost $2,000 on a drone, you're getting this controller that's very, very old. I mean, I think we don't deserve that kind of treatment from DJI. But for the NEO, I really think we can't complain, especially the price point that's coming at. So I really can't really bash on them too much, but it's a good controller. But I mean, I would just like to see something a little bit more compact, and that's because the drone is very compact, and I want something that goes hand in hand with the overall small size and design. But well, that has been the unboxing and first impressions of the all new DJI NEO. If you guys want to get one for yourselves, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below so that you can go ahead and order your DJI NEO straight from the DJI website. You also help the channel as well, so I do really appreciate that. And if you have any questions or doubts, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.